I am 6'2". Today we moved this 1300-pound safe, which is actually taller than me. It was sitting in this flooring recess. In the past, while the safe was already in place, someone applied a thin black marble layer on the floor around the safe. The whole house is covered with highly polished marble, black and beige. Well, this is how we started. First we tilt the safe towards us with the help of the weight of the door. Next, we install the rollers to bring the safe out of the recessed flooring. We install moving pads and steel plates to roll the safe over. It doesn't look that we will be able to turn the safe out of the room with the hydraulic tools attached, but we'll give it a try. The attached tools make the safe wider and thus harder to turn. We bring the safe back into the room, remove the hydraulic jacks and sit it onto a special 4-wheel dolly. We reattach our hydraulic tools and get ready to roll the safe to our truck. We winch the safe up and get ready to go. At the unloading place, we will have steps up and 1 step down. This will make our work harder and riskier. We set up our ramps reinforced with wooden beams. Here is the room where we will set up the GunSafe. We protect a fragile threshold with rubberized wood boards and a metal plate. Well, it's time to unload and adjust the safe position. Hey, don't forget to give us the thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching and God bless America!